Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have some squeaky dog toys from HGB that my dog Honey Girl cannot get enough of. She goes crazy whenever she hears it. It has a squeaker in the head and tentacles that have this crinkly material, so there's lots to keep dogs busy. But also, I love the fact that there's no stuffing, so they can't pull out a ton of stuffing and make a mess in the house if they do rip the toy open. So don't take my word for it. Check out how Honey feels about these dog toys. So my dog Honey Girl really loves toys that make lots of noise. So the squeaker on this is great, as is all the different crinkly tentacles. She just can't get enough. She really loves the toy, and I love the fact that it doesn't have any stuffing. That's important to me because I notice that toys with stuffing for her, she will find a little hole and pull out all the stuffing, and then the toy is destroyed. But I think that these are going to last her a while because they're unstuffed and very noisy, so she has a lot of fun playing with them. So that's a 2 paws or 2 thumbs up from Honey Girl. So if you're looking for a dog toy that has no stuffing, has a squeaker, and lots of fun noises for your dog to enjoy, then I highly recommend these. They are Honey tested and Honey Girl approved, and that is my point of view.